Hey everyone, just want to make a quick video on how you can resize a video in CapCut. So I have this basic video right here. If I go ahead and click on it, it's going to select the video, and we can also see the video editing tools on the side here. We want to make sure we're on the video tab under the basic section. And we also want to go to where it says position and size. So if you don't see this, make sure you just click on position and size. It'll open up the position and size editing settings, in which case we can go ahead and make some adjustments. So let's say we want to just increase or decrease the entire scale of the video. We can adjust this slider like so. That's going to zoom it in the farther we go. And we can also zoom out if we go to the left. So you can see the percentage that we're actually zooming, or rather adjusting the scale right in this input field here. So I go ahead and just make it 100%. It's just going to scale to the original size that it was. Now we can also adjust it by grabbing one of these corners or sides here. So if we go ahead and grab this corner, we can adjust the scale like so. We can also move the video around by clicking on it and just dragging it around. And we can use these cool little ruler things to actually center it either vertically or horizontally. We can also use this toolbar to set it to different places among the video aspect ratio. I'm going to adjust it back to the center like so. I'm also going to make the scale 100 once again. Now let's say we want to stretch the video. We can stretch it wide, or maybe we want to stretch it in the taller format. We can unclick the uniform scale like so. And if we want to scale it wider, we can adjust the scale width. This is going to stretch the video out wider. We can also adjust the scale height. This is going to stretch it in the vertical aspect. We can also rotate the video by clicking into this input field, or we can adjust this little knob right here, which will allow us to rotate the video so we can have it be upside down if we want. But that is basically how you can resize the video in CapCut. If this video helped you guys out, please leave a like. That's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helped you out.